my podcast. I'm Ponson, and today our topic is the GateLive Monostar Candy Drops ICNT. So let's get started and explore this topic. So now you have to see this ICNT is the Launchpool Modular Airdrop. So we are going to start this topic. So stay tuned and keep watching here. I'm sharing the most important topic here. So let's see. Okay, so now here is launch. So you can see here now we are going to start this topic. So stay tuned and keep watching here. So first of all, we are going to explore this ICNT. So let's get started. Welcome the gate users. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see the ICNT dollars is the native tokens of the Impossible Cloud Network ICN and open the permissionless and the composable and cloud, the ecosystems built to the replace legacy and the platforms like the AWS and with decentralized the enterprise and the great storage compute and the bandwidth at the recent investment by the Helium, okay, yes, Helium, and where is the okay. As a backer NGP, the capital places ICN at a fully dilated valuations FTV of the 470 million dollars for the ecosystem is operational and it currently generates over the $7 million in APR through the services that delivered to thousand and enterprise clients and reflecting a 2000 percent year or over year growth and reflecting a 2000 year over year growth. The network powers over the 80 PB of active decentralized storage across the Europe and the US with us and the US with 250 PB in the global pipeline with the 250K community members and 29,000 nodes across 140 countries, and ICN is setting the standard for the real and scalable Web3 infrastructure and standard for the real and the scalable Web3 infrastructures backed by the top investors, including the 1K, KX, and then No Limits Holding and the Protocol Labs and NGP Capital, HV Capital, and more, or so on. Okay, so now you have to see the total stacking rewards is 250,000 and the participants are 5,051 and the individual stacking cap is 10 BTC and the total stacked in BTC is 1,041. Yeah, 1,041.66 ICNT, and the mining period is 10 days, and individual hourly reward cap is 52.08 and ICNT, and the total stack is 3,586.866095282. Sorry, and the APR 1.28%. Okay, next explore about the official website of the ICNT. Okay, so now you have to see that this website uses cookies. We use the cookies to personalize the content and ads to provide the social media features and to analysis our traffic. We also share the information about your use of our site with our social media advertising and the analytics and partners who may combine it with other information that you have provided to them, or they have to collect it from your use of their services. First is the necessary, second is the preferences and the statics, and then last in the marketing. Okay, deny if you wanted to deny, then deny also. I will going to deny this. So now the AI cloud, infinite storage and compute and at a light speed. So the decentralized cloud for powering the next generation's AI and Web3, already delivering $7 million in APR to 1,000, and enterprise clients empowering ATPV and the active storage and backed by the top tier VCS and at a for 70 million dollars active use, and the deep products integrations in $10 billion, and the cloud backup and ICB ecosystem, and the Web3 category leader, $1 trillion cloud market, and then hyperscalers and performance of 23K TPS clouds transactions. Okay, if you want to say the stack ICNT dollars, so the mainnet is live, so the decentralized internet is closer than over. So the stack ICNT, if you want to stack on, then click on here, and the and next option is check ICNT dollars and exchanges. Okay, more than just a white paper live.pro in the open document if you wanted to explore the more information about the ICNT dollars and the currencies. Next is the we are already live. This is not a white paper only for checks. It's real clients, real revenues, real infrastructures, and AI needs to storage the before the compute. And we are building the data layers powering AI, the cloud, and beyond. So integration ecosystems and VCR network and Web3 partners. Also, this is the $34 million ecosystems funding from leading VCS and the node sales also. Okay. Okay, so now you have to see the first permissionless, composable, the truly open cloud. So no more restrictions, and ICN allows anyone to leverage decentralized services that are the composable and the permissionless, free from the corporate control, and owned by everyone and owned by the people's. ICN is decentralized cloud, free from the corporate control, and built for the AI gaming and the next generation's applications also. That is most important topics. The run it, build it, and own it. Okay, so anyone can run a hypernode. You help the ensures ICNS and the ecosystems integrated, that powering a global cloud networks and open, scalable, and secure. And the future is already here. So ICN is live, so growing, and already for mass adoption. So better cloud starts today. So next is the how it works. Oh, if you wanted to know about the how it works, ICN. So I will tell you about this. So stay tuned and keep watching here. So ICN's architectures is based on three layers as a builders, the protocols with the hyper nodes and the hardware providers. This decentralized and the open architecture ensures that next evolutions of the clouds with better scalability without the compromising the performance and compared to the traditional clouds. Next is the application layer, APIs and protocols, and many other functions. So first, if you wanted to explore the application layer, so builders leverage the ICNS, the decentralized architectures to design and deliver innovative clouds products that they use are the platforms to create the cutting edge services and tailored to their customers' needs. and the subject object storage and compute and the container hosting also. So next is the ICN protocols, Hypermate, Hypernode, sorry. So ICN protocols is our protocol. ICN is ICNP, ICCC, ICNP. It's a protocol pulls the heterogeneous in the hardware into the network and ensuring the high performance and the reliability levels and the competitive and the pricing and the services as foundations for introducing new cloud primitive and the protocol security economic mechanisms and resources allocations and the resource hardware layer. So the resources is the resource hardware layer. So the hardware providers are essential to the ICNS the reboundness of and scalability. They participate in the transparent marketplace and receive the reliable compensations and incentives to deliver top tier in service quality. Next is our roadmap. So now you have to welcome the Lidong and Montano, the stars, and UID, WG, and the Valentina gate users. Thank you for joining here, everyone. Especially the gate users, all of you, Derek. Yeah, thank you for joining here. So now you have to see the or roadmap. ICN is born the V 0.11, sorry, 0.1 ICN platform's core protocols and the first user. Next is the decentralized scaling cloud services and leveraging the external hardware providers. Okay, provides. And the phase zero is the next is the hyper node initiations. Sorry, mainnet. So the onboarding community, the pioneers to help the optimizing the hypernode formations and first is it's completed. So next is the mainnet ICN officially launches with the first functionality establishing its ecosystems, and then last phase is phase four, and in its expansions, expanding ecosystems capabilities and new protocols okay functionality. So now you have to see this frequently asked questions if you wanted to say anything. First question is what is possible impossible the cloud network. So let's get explore about this. Thanks, Mr. Lee Dong. You have to set a red packet for me. Thanks a lot for joining here and also sending me the red packet. Thanks a lot, everyone who's joining here. So listen carefully. Today's topic is the what is the sorry. Today's our topic is ICNT Launchpool project. So first of all, it's a question: what is the Impossible Cloud Network? Impossible Cloud Network ICN. It's a abbreviation from the Impossible Cloud Network ICN is developing the foundational foundational layer for the next generation's internet, the challenging the dominance of centralized tech giants and unlike the solid depth in and depth in projects ICN introduces fully open multi-service permissionless and compatible impossible cloud is infrastructures that integrated stops and compute and network scales. Okay, so next question is how do it work? How does it work? Impossible the cloud network. It works by the combining the decentralized storage and the compute and then works. Permissionless cloud infrastructure secured queue core node types and the hypernodes and the scalar nodes and the hypernodes and are monitoring the network and the ensuring uh, that scale noders. So now you have to see this. Everyone can take stack the ICN tokens and ICNT dollars. Yeah. Do these nodes use secure the okay? So now you have to see the entire system is designed to deliver the Web3 decentralizations with Web2 the level performance security and the usability, the making the ICN and the foundations of the next generation's digital infrastructures. Welcome the country man goes to and the Montano and the other person get users. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So now you have to see the frequently asked questions. I have to tell you the more informations about this topic. So now on this time, what is the hypernode? Okay, a hypernode is a foundational node type of that secured and then monitors the decentralized infrastructures of ICN, and these nodes ensure the scalar nodes which delivers the cloud service like the compute and the storage. Okay. Like the compute and the storage also behave the reliably and they are the rewarded for the doing so as the protocol evolves the hypernodes will be the globally distributed increasing fault and the tolerance and the decentralization so they are essential for linking the web3 compatibility with web2 great performance and the enabling a permissionless high throughput and ecosystems for the enterprises and the developers learn more about the running a hypernode in our documents. Okay, next question is what is the scalar nodes? Okay, I will tell you about this. Scalar node is responsible for providing the actual resources like the computer uh, storage and the networking that their power is the network decentralized services and the own once the protocol is fully live so scalar nodes will support and support the enterprise grade and applications by delivering high performance and cloud capabilities across the ICN ecosystem. And then each scalar node is backed by the stack and where once the protocol is fully live, the scalars so what can work. The skills ensure to the operates reliably and the efficiently good behaviors as there was and why bad performance is penalized. these mechanisms ensure the trustless service delivery while enabling the decentralized scale. The scalar node allow the contributors to offer the real world hardware to the network and compensated for doing so. The forming the backbone of ICNS, the composable deep in architectures. Learn more about running a scalar node in our documents. Welcome to happy birthday and the gate users. Thank you for joining here. And next is question is how can I participate and earn the rewards? Okay, you can participate in Impossible Cloud network and earn rewards by the becoming part of its decentralized infrastructure. And either by running a hypernode or a scalar node or by the resources like the compute storage and running a hypernode and where is the hypernode helps secure the protocols and the monitor scalar nodes and earnings, yeah, and the ICN tokens to exist this node and okay. The next is you can stack your ICN tokens to existing the nodes and earn share and of their rewards and all participants are whether whether the technical operators or token the holders will play a vital role in scaling the network and the are incentives that through the token and base payouts and uh, base payouts and figure future governance operate opportunities. Okay, so what are the benefits of using the ICN compared to the existing services? So using Possible Cloud Network, ICN offers several key advantages over the traditional cloud services. It provides the enterprises grade performance with decentralized security, eliminating single points of the failure and reducing resilience to on bigger where it's big tech monopiles. Okay, so unlike other DApp in the projects that silo the services, ICN integrates all core cloud functions. Welcome the night X. Thank you for joining here. So now you have to see the ICN is ICN. It is efficient and the leveraging global hardware to deliver the high performance compute and the storage and networking at lower prices. And ICN integrates the all core cloud functions in unified protocols, ensuring the seamless scalability and the censorship resistance and the full user sovereignty and the bridging the power of Web 3 with the usability of the Web 2. Okay. And next question: how is the data security addressed in the ICN? So data security in the impossible cloud network is addressed through the multi-layer approach and at the foundational level. ICNS decentralized architecture eliminates the centralized control and reducing the risk of the points of the failures or corporate misuse. And all hardware providers are carefully weighted and must operate the enterprise grade infrastructures and the house yeah, house is in certified the data centers ISO and associated, then ensuring a robust and complete physical security layer, and additionally users can implement it at most product level security features such as the identity and access management to tailor protections and based on their specific needs. Okay, so next is how to the bridge ICNT. So to bridge ICNT, you need to use the user bridging solutions like the Super Bridge of app and superbridge.app. So once their contacts your wallet, so select ICNT as the tokens to the bridge and enter the desired amounts and then the review the confirm and the transactions breaching the ICNT from the Ethereum to base is necessary to use the tokens in a ICN protocols. Next is the how to stack the ICNT. To take the ICNT, the first acquire the ICNT from exchanges like Uniswap, Coinbase, and find the alternative stacks. And here is so then go to the console.icn and global and contact your wallets and then and specify the amount and the lock rate for your stack. How to stack the ICNL link, ICN link. Okay. Okay, how to stack ICNL, the ICN link. So to stack ICNL, navigate to the ICN console at the console.icn global and just contact your wallet and then the go to your page wallet page and once connected, then go to your wallet page and scroll to the ICN links and tap the under NFTs most likely select the ICNL you wish to stack and click the stack. You will then choose whether to stack to a hypernode or a scalar node and select the specific node and confirm the transitions of more. Uh, then you will choose whether to stack to a hypernode and scalar nodes also. The crypto champion says hi dear, how are you? Hello, crypto champion, how are you? Uh, I am fine, and how about you, Mr. Crypto Champion? Okay, so now you have to see the questions. Next is the how to manage my stack and assets. Okay, in this you can manage all your assets, sorry, and stack positions from the unified wallet page within the ICN console. Here you can view your liquid ICNT balance and track the stack lock and unlock ICNT. Huh? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. So now you have to see that you can manage all your assets and the stack positions. Then from the unified wallet page within the ICN console, and here you can view your liquid ICNT balance and the track, stack it and lock and unlock this ICNT and see your own ICN links and then the stack position step displays. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Champion, for your support and appreciation. Thanks a lot, Mr. Crypto Champion. I really appreciated your support. Thanks a lot. Next is the flower follow God of value. Thank you, Mr. Follow God of value. Thank you for joining here and welcome here. And how are you? Okay. Thank you for joining here, everyone. So chit here and share and keep watching here. So now you have to see the how to manage your stack assets. Next question is how does ICNT stacking work? So let's see. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me, Mr. Crypto Champion. But you're just only you and the Crypto Eye, the two members from your team, always attending my stream, and always you have to drop the comments here. So I will try my best to join your stream. So I will try my best because some tied my schedule, so I've not even opened the gate, so that's why it's really tough for me in these days. I will manage it. Okay, then I will join your streams. uh, Thank you for joining here. Who's crypto MacBook? I don't know who is he, but he's always here but not supporting him. I think no cherry teacher here. He's not dropping any comments here. I don't know. That's why. Can you tell me if you know about him? I don't know who is he or she. Okay. Next question is how does ICNT stacking work? So you stream? Oh sorry. You're doing your stream after my stream, okay? You want to say that, okay? I think you want to say that, okay? Okay, I will try my best. Okay, as a new streamer, I don't know. That's why. Okay, I will try my best. I will definitely join the stream. I don't know who is he. That's why I ignore. He ignores always. I don't know who is he, but I will definitely join his stream. Okay. Don't worry. I want to know. Okay. Okay. I will. I think it's return from me for you. You join my stream, then I will join your stream also. And you drop the comments, and then I will drop the comments. You support me, then I will support you. It's a return. Everyone returns the replying anyone's situation and condition. That's why it's basic thing. Okay. And thanks for joining here and drop your comments here and also support me. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining here. Good work. Thank you, Mr. Crypto MacBook. Can you tell me, do I know you? I think I read out your name every time. I think when I'm streaming, you have to pass out here from here, but I don't know. Okay. If you are new here, then best of luck. Many hardships are waiting for you, and don't be impatient. Just only take your patience level. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mr. Crypto Champion. I think I want to say the big thanks of you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Thanks a lot for joining here and also uh, bring your friend. Okay. Okay. I think I remember you, but you know the sometimes it's you are not definitely doing any. I think regularly you are not doing the chit chat here. That's why I don't know. But you are doing that sometimes. That I really remember you that you are passing out from my stream. That's why. Okay. But thank you so much for joining here. Okay, Mr. Crypto MacBook and Mr. Crypto Champion. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining here. So now it's how does is ICNT the staking work? Thank you so much, Mr. Crypto Champion. And also, welcome for your big sport here. Okay, thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion, and big applause for you. And Mr. Crypto MacBook, thank you for joining here, everyone. And now with the ICNT, the stacking was locking the ICNT into the ICNT ecosystem to support and secure the decentralized and the cloud work network, and the primarily by supporting the scalar nodes. And when stacking, you select the scalar nodes and input the amount and choose lock periods, the ranking from the 1 day to the 48 months and the longer lock periods, and after offer a higher earning. Okay, thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Big applause for you. Thank you so much. Today you have supported me a lot. I don't know how to thanks to you, but I definitely join your stream, and uh, I will return back your messages to you same. Okay, thank you. Please kindly tell me your time of stream. I'm sorry. Okay, tell me your stream time. Both of you, Mr. Crypto Champion and Mr. Crypto MacBook. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, yes, you are right. Because of you notice that after a long time, 4 to 5 days, I even not open the gate and not posted and anything. I don't even checked out the gate information anything. That's why I'm not joining your stream. It's not just for you, just your stream. I even not open the gate, then I will not join any stream, and I also not doing on my own stream. I had just ripped out everything, and now uh, I will come back. So I will definitely I join your stream now on this time. Okay, I'm not just saying I will do that. I will do that. Okay, don't worry. I really do that. Return your your return. I will give you back. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion and Mr. MacBook. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Today you have to support me in my stream. Thanks a lot. Next, you have to see the what paper today is. I have just going to share the information next. Possible cloud network, a decentralized cloud ecosystem. So now let's get started. Abstract. The current cloud services, the market faces significant challenges, including the centralizations and high cost and vendor lock-in and data security concerns and impossible cloud network (ICN) and the proposes and the decentralized solutions to these issues by the leveraging the blockchain and the Web3 technologies and IC and creates a scalable decentralized cloud infrastructures where the participants and the hardware, the providers HPS and the service providers SPS and the SLA, the Oracle nodes and the collaborate to enhance the network integrity and the reliability. The possible impossible cloud network, the protocols they are the architectures orchestrate and these ecosystems using a token economics system and that incentives and contributions and ensure the balance the resource allocations IC and the tokens and the ICN T the rewards at HPS and SLA the Oracle nodes and enables the SPs to access the network capabilities capacities also. Okay. Okay, I will try my best, Mr. Crypto Champion. You know the girls are having the too much um you you don't know because boys are really don't know about the girls how they can manage the homes and their works and studies and everything how they can manage. So that's why you have to see this easily, but I will try my best to join your stream. I really I just say it and then I would do that. Okay, don't worry. And I'm sorry I have not joined your streams. It's really um I'm really busy that in that time. So in this duration, I in last week I will not even join my oh, I will not even open the um gate. That's why I'm not even joining the anyone's stream. So it's not like that. I will just only you have I ignore you. No, I know I'm not ignore anyone. I just I'm busy for a little bit. Now I'm having to pack the work, so I will definitely join your streams or support you. Okay. You can say that. Okay, so now you have to see the golden opportunity in the cloud. So the global cloud services market is anticipated to grow significantly with the projections estimating and it will reach 2.5 billion dollar to 2.7 trillion dollars by the 2034. So cloud service industry is anticipated to grow significantly. So now you have to see this 50% figure, the 25 2,500 billion dollars and billion dollars and six. 125 billion dollars. It's in 24, 2024. In 2034, it's going to 2,400 billion dollars. So it's having the big margin. Okay, it's very profitable for everyone. So we have be patient to take the patience and take the risk also. No, I'm not teacher. No, 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 no. I'm student. Uh, you can say that I'm student because of in 9 p.m. I have a class and at 4 a.m. That's two times I'm attending my own classes, and then uh, the homework and that's not that much, but it's having the now these days, but after these I think this month it's very busy for me, and after this month I will definitely be free because of the exams are here and the studies are really you know, it's tough, and I have to be consoling them. Try my best. Okay. This growth is driven by the increasing enterprises' adoptions of the cloud-based solutions across the various industries and the rise of the transformative technologies such as the generative, the AI, edge computing, the 5G, VR, AR applications, and real-time analysts. And despite these potentials, the market is predominantly dominant. Oh, you follow me? Can you tell me you follow me? Then I will follow you. I definitely follow you. If you are following me, I think you're not following. So despite these potentials, the market is predominantly controlled by the few, with the large corporations, leading to the concerns about the market control, pricing, and the innovations. And these issues can be categorized into four main areas. First is the general market dominance and the centralization concerns. Second is the customer challenges. Number three is the technical and the future challenges. Number four is the market entry barriers. Okay. You just only uh, say it again and again. You follow me. I would just only say this question seems to you. The girls, why? In these matters, girls first, and another matters like the what what I have to do that. Okay, I will try. After this stream, when I join your stream, I will follow you. But now on this time, you have to join my stream. First, you have to join my stream, okay? And I do that. So now I have to say that to you. You follow me, then I will follow you. I I remember that. I don't forget that. Okay, I will promise you. You you follow me, then I will follow you. If it's girl first, then I will already say to you. How can I tell you? After this stream, I will promise. Okay, I promise. I follow you. Don't worry. I remember my promise. Not that bad memory. So general marketing dominance and the centralization concerns. So the current cloud services ecosystem is partitions and controlled by the wealth resources tech, the giants and such as the Amazon Web Services, AWS, and the Microsoft Azure, and the Google Cloud, the platforms GCP, and this oligopolistic and the environmental rises the significant and the concerns also the concentrations of the power and you have to say it again and again. Why? In these matters, why? Just only in these matters you have to say that girls first, but no. On this time, I really I have not trapped in your demand. Okay. I'm okay, okay. I will try my best. How you can say that English and Urdu, you have to mix up. Okay, okay. I will do it. Okay. It's okay if you are not doing, you are not following me. I will follow you. It's just wait a little bit. I will try my best. Where is the crypto champion? Wait for a little bit. I will find it. Find out you. Wait, searching. Okay. Uh, so on. How is this possible? Okay, Mr. Crypto Champion. Crypto, crypto Champion. Hey, where is your name? Uh, I'll put it in search bar, but it's not find out. How is this possible? Okay, can you wait a little bit for me? I will definitely join you after this. Okay, after doing my stream. Okay, I will join you. Then I will support you, and also I will follow you. Just wait a little bit. I will just wait a little bit. I have to complete my stream. Okay, after this, can you wait for it? I will find out. Use put it in the search bar, but I will definitely I will not find out you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Okay, so the economic exploitations and stifled innovations and dominance by the few large players satisfy the stifless innovations and the making it difficult for the smallest in companies to compete or introduce the new technologies. This reduces the market diversity and the limits the dynamic progress and the essential for the vibrant technology and ecosystems also. Now you have to the customer challenges. The businesses and individuals worldwide rely heavily on cloud services from major providers, but face significant challenges affecting their operations and efficiency. The high cost are a major concern. Hey, I will do it, but it's not open. Why I don't know, but it's not open. Here is I click on. I'll just do it. How it's it's not open. I don't. You do morning. Okay, after the stream, I will definitely join you and then go on your post and I will drop the message there. Okay. Okay, dear. First of all, I have to complete my stream. Then I will join the Mr. Crypto MacBook. Okay, don't worry. Window lock-in and the data security, privacy, and the sovereignty. And next is the technical and the future challenges. The more ever current centralized cloud architecture faces several the critical technical and the future shortcomings. Oh, I I just click on your profile. What are you saying? I just click on your profile and also your name, but it's not open. Why I don't know. Okay, so next you have to see the world's transitions to the distributed networks. The data is growing exponentially and they're predominantly at the edge. So this growth at the edge will change the world so as it will inevitable to lead to the cross-spanning demand for the storage and nearby the computer power, as well as a huge demand for distributing network. What happened? You're laughing. I'm not. Um, I'm not doing anything. You have to laugh there. Next is the scalability issues, the rapid growth and the technological the advancement and in the cloud sector demand the scalable and the flexible solutions in storing and the computing data in the distributed networks is much more scalable. So that's emerging the technology demands and energy consumptions. And next is the market entry barriers. So you have to see the all the innovations in the cloud market is overdue. The disrupting the cloud industry so cannot be achieved by a single company or a startup. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining here and drop your comments here support also. I will definitely give you this return in a bombastic way. Wait for my entry in your stream. Then I will support you definitely. Just you and Mr. Crypto. I remember that both of you two members are join my streams and always drop the comments here. So I will remember you to Crypto I and Crypto Champion. Thank you for joining here, everyone, and also the Crypto Champion and Crypto I. Thank you, and also the High Vision. The problem, the need for a collective approach. So as decentralized cloud ecosystems built and owned by many cloud effectively that addresses and the challenges mentioned above. In recent years, the projects such as the Akash and Filecon and the Fluence and the definitely time I'm still on your live stream. Okay, you are you are really amazing person who just taking an advantage for himself. Okay. Okay, I remember that. Next time I will return back to you. Okay, okay. Okay. To build a successful decentralized cloud ecosystems, we identified five main principles to adhere to. I will tell you one thing, Mr. Crypto Champion. I will doing the three project at the same time. I just do the two, but then and after this, I will do the another project. So I think today I have no time after if you're doing the after 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Then I will join you. Okay, on this time I think I'm free on this time, so I will join your stream. Okay, next is ecosystems versus silo. The many depth in the solutions try to build a vertical slice from the top to bottom and focusing on the specific hardware on a single use case and the starting with storage. So the data gravity and the data locality and the critical most services require the sum from the storage, and it is the cheaper and the more efficient to run services. No, I know I don't say that I will definitely join your stream. I just say that today I'm busy. I know it to say that I'm not joining your stream. I will definitely join your stream. I will give you the return back to you. Your concern. Don't worry. Don't worry, Mr. Crypt. I will definitely join your stream. You have to cry like a baby. I just don't worry. I will do that. I said that I will do that. I promise to you. Okay. Evening is the best time. I will definitely join you. Don't worry. Enterprises hardware. The enterprise market for the cloud services is significantly larger than the consumer. market to win the enterprise customers, and issues like the security, scalability, decentralization, and performance, and the complaints and must be addressed. Next is the demand focus and the customer access with Web. While the Web3 projects have been proven they can scale the hardware supply, the demand side, and oh my God, tap in verifications problems. And next is the solution impossible cloud network ICN. It's based on these challenges. This slide paper. Okay, I will support you as a friend. I am sorry, I have to say that. Okay. Okay. So Lightpaper introduces Impossible Cloud Network (ICN), a decentralized ecosystem designed to capture significant shares of the global cloud market by addressing a wide range of the customer needs. And the ICN operates in the layer managed by the different participants and all connected by the ICN protocol ICNP, and the incentives in a blockchain-based marketplace. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. ISN participants. Next is the possible cloud network. Takes a layered approach consisting of a hardware layer, a service layer, and a monitoring layer. The hardware layer, this is layer to ensure the unprecedented the scalability. Then next is the service layer, the compatibility, the monitoring layer, the layer of trust, and next is the you have to see this business customer service providers, market access tools, and the ICN protocols, the SL, the oracles, ICN stacks, oracles, hardware providers also. Next is the hardware providers, the scalability, HNS, and CPUS and GPUS. And next is service providers and this SLA Oracle nodes and ICN partner projects. So ICN is built the principle of the compatibility, a key design element that enables the seamless integration across its ecosystems, much like the legs. Lego bricks and each component of of the ICN protocol is designed to the inter connect at every layer at the creating of foundations also. Next is examples of the projects partnering with the ICN. So on the SP layer, on the SLA on layer, and on the HP layer, and on the customer market access tool layer. Next is the ICN protocol ICNP. So here is the ICNP. So it's a Impossible Cloud Network token ICNT. It's a ICNT. It's a ICNP. It relies on a tokens economic system to contribute, allocate, and access networks resources, and to ensure the network reliability and the performance levels at the heart of the system lies a protocol native utility tokens and the possible impossible cloud network token also. Next is the supply side, providing capacity to ICN. The HPS cannot can commit the hardware capacity to the network. It's exchange for the ICN and the rewards to onboard capacity. They need to lock ICNT as collateral once their capacity is on board, as protocol allocates capacity to SPS based on their hardware needs. Okay. So next is the demand side, the requesting capacity from the ICN. So ICN allows the SPS to access the ICN hardware capacity through a fully integrated capacity request and the allocation mechanisms in which SPS have the to acquire the ICNT to access the network resources also. In this procedure, SPS requested the hardware capacity from the protocol across the supported network clusters. For example, the SPS said the request 6 months of the storage capacity in a certain geographic hardware capacity in the network based on the combinations of the technological. Next is the network monitoring SLA Oracle network. A common problem within the tap in networks is ensuring. Okay, thank you. So sweet of you. Thank you. The next is ensuring the authenticity and the integrity of the resources and the participants in within the network. So when uh, where the traditional decentralized validation methods are not applicable, this gap in verifications problem include verifying the availability, performance, and reliability of the distributed resources also. Okay. Next is the network reliability and the SLA enforcement. So if the SLA wants to detect a network anomaly, the significant and the persistence and the deviations from the expected network's performance and availability levels and ICNP can trigger stashing mechanisms also. Next is the ICN network growth cycle. Here's the roadmap. So now you have to see how got here. Impossible Cloud has successfully developed a fully functional and robust enterprise, the great object storage and the services, the foundations of the ecosystem. This services is supported by the several hardwares, the providers, and the caters to the numerous business customers who collectively upload and download or otherwise interact with the objects about the 1 billion times per week and growing exponentially. The system is designed for the scalability capable of the handling many billions of the project object interactions daily and beyond. Next is the why storage is fundamental. The storage leverages data gravity and locality foundational principles for the any cloud services ecosystem. Data storage is a critical component as it is required by the nearly all the other services such as the AI, GPU, the compute, and the data processing also. Thank you, Mr. Crypto Champion. Same to you. Okay. And next is the next steps. These sections outlines of the building and the anti-scepter evaluations of the ICN protocols. The first productions release of the protocols will support the existing the object storage solutions and the HPS subsequent steps will include the supporting demand based on the incentives. Okay, the next phase one and the launch phase 2024. So this phase focuses on the foundational activities necessary to the bring ICN to the mainnet and prepare for the token listing. Key milestone include okay, and it's a economic layer design, and next is the light paper development and the community feedback and the ICN passport and distribution and protocol development and the testnet development and refinement and the network bootstrapping and the mainnet launch. Okay, the phase two, the growth phase 2025 to 2026, and you have to see that these phases focus on the scaling the ICN ecosystem, expanding the network on both and demand and supply sides, and enabling the external contributions to the protocols. So key initiatives include the demand side expanding, supply side scaling, and compatibility and the developer ecosystems. Next, phase three is the optimization phase. So here is the permissionless compatibility and the optimization and efficiency, governance, evaluations, and ecosystem resilience. Also, next is the get involved. So here is the get involved. So next is the get involved. So here's the, you can follow our progress on ICN protocol. So we are open to the partnerships that at all the layers of our ecosystem to fuel its growth. And if you are interested in contributing the hardware resources using the network for the various and the service cloud services, the references here you have to see this. So next, it's references. What is this? Okay. So now here is some information about the launch poll. I'm going to share about that. So what is the Gate launch poll? So first of all, you have to see this. Gate launch poll is an innovative stacking airdrops and platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, and where is ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn the early airdrops of hot and new coins, and with low entry barriers and the high APR. It's the ultimate platforms and effortlessly capturing the market opportunities. Next is how can I participate in the Get Launch poll? Have a nice day, also, Mr. Crypto Champion. So how can I participate in the Get Launch poll? So first log into your Get accounts and then navigate to the Get Launch poll page. Then choose a project you want to participate in. Then stack your assets. Okay. Next is the which coin can I stack in Get Launch poll. The tokens eligible for the participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. So please visit for the cross pending page of Get Launch poll to view the more details. Next question is how many tokens will be rewarded. So early stacking reward is equal to the individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amounts multiplied by the total pool stacking amounts and multiply the early reward pool. So now next question is how are the reward distributed. The platforms will take the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts early, and then token rewards are distributed to the eligible or users that early earning will be distributed into users' spot accounts. Next, when will the stack assets be redeemed? So after the users redeems in advance, the stacking is completed. The stack asset will be transferred to the simple earned by default. And next, can I redeem my stack assets at any time? Yes, you can sorry, yes, you can redeem your assets at any time. Okay. Next, can I add the additional stack assets? You can increase your stack assets at any time. Can I participate in the multiple project at the same time when there are the multiple launch pools projects going on? So at the same time, so you can stack in the different pools for to receive new tokens, mining the rewards for multiple projects. Next is the what is the maximum mining rewards can I receive? So the early reward hard cap per users for each project is different. So once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. So next is the will stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets stack in the gate launch pool will not be impacted on your VIP level. Next is what will happen to my funds if the project is ended near early. So in case of early ending, your stack principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as possible in your there is your project is ended and your last interest will be distributed on the earn after the and time. So next is about annual percentage rate, APR. So when the reward coin is stacked coin, so APR is equal to the total reward released in the last hour, and last hour's total stack 365 multiply 24 multiply 100%. Next is when the rewards coin is not the stack or coin. So APR is equal to the total reward released in the last hour multiplied by the closing price of the reward coin of the last hour. And this is multiplied by the 365 multiply 24 multiply 100%. Okay. And next information is about how to participate in the Gate Launch Poll. So first of all, the Gate Launch Poll is an innovative stacking and airdrop platforms where users can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens, earn early airdrops to of and new coins. Next is the stack to earn. How to join the Gate Launch Pool and stack to earn. So log into your Gate accounts and navigate to the Launch Pool. Then if you wanted to join on app, so go on home and then select the Launch Pool web. If you wanted to join the web, then click on the earn page, then choose the Launch Pool and choose the stacking pool you want to join. Click stack. Okay, enter the stacking amount and then click confirm and complete the stacking view where it's view view rewards in the reward history after the successful stacking. And please complete your identity verifications before the participating in the launch poll to enhance the security of your account and assets. The stack assets will be transferred to the simple earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stack assets will be redeemed into spot assets. So the will be taken the multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amounts of each project each hour, and you can increase your stacking assets at any time. So the please maintain your stable accounts and amounts to ensure the mining rewards. Okay, now thanks a lot for joining here and support me also. Now I'm going to end up this stream. Take care of yourselves and may God give you success in every field of your life. I will definitely join you, everyone, and then support you and also pray for you. And take care of yourselves. Good bye, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Tada, bye bye.